Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope all are good. So now I see a simple tutorial about cpanel password change. For cpanel password change, first you go to your cpanel. First I log in. When I enter my cpanel login layout, I see that a username need that's provide me hosting company and a password. By default, a password provided by hosting company. So I type this. Now click login. Yes, login successful. Now I see a layout. From right corner, I look at user preferences. Here I click and see password and security. I click here. Now I see old password. Here I type my old password. Then here type my new password. Again I type my new password and change your password. Now I click here. Yes, password changed successfully. Now I want to try with my old password, but it show the login is invalid. This means my password is changed. So I now log in to with my new password. Login. Yes, this password is changed. So this is a simple tutorial. I hope all are do this change password. Thank you everyone.